And then everything you have to be sharp like a razor. You know something you have to be sharp like a razor. Well, so you get cut off a map. You understand me? But you know everything you have to be sharp like a razor. You understand me? I just understanding, brother. You have to can give and you have to can take. You know what I deal with?
Yeah.
So life is like obstacle, So sometimes when you tell yourself, say, all being good is not. When you tell yourself, say, all bad with you from when, but it good now. Right at this solid moment, it just becomes good. You understand me? So
never
you
see it
say,
coming.
all right.
But you have a belief, you know, have the
Member,
faith.
good
Yeah.
man. It just appear, man.
Yeah, I wonder
Yeah, man.
how this does happen. So.
Yeah, man.
And now
Goodness
you
just
start
appear,
earn.
brother, man. Member, good man. I just like how me meet a fan just see that. Me never get a call from him before in a life. Me never get a link from him nowhere before. Me never hear of him nowhere, but him appear yesterday and my foot me on go yes one of my fans up on the way out the road I come. And by me could have said where I him that on my foot. And I just say there, man, I saw you go, man. Me never know of him like how me know some people gonna call me every day and I say, Bawdacat, one of the day, one of the time. The man just
appear.
appear.
Nah, I mean, I promise you.
Alright, brother, the man just appear on my foot, so real life, you know? Yeah, man. I say, you know, I say, yeah, man. I say, you know, things are gonna appear and reach me see. You know, me go on one place one night. And a man look at me and tell me, say, Bawdacat, me don't know still, you know, but me see something special in our world for you, Me don't know what, but me just see myself, say, see something special in the world for you. Me tell him, say, brother, it's a joy, Happy if you know, say, the eye can't see it too,
True.
Yeah, the man say, Bawdacat, me I tell you the truth. Me have that feelings. Me have that good, strong feelings. Something special in the world for you, brother. Me don't know what, but it is there for you. And thanks. Wish it could happen for Choker. Everybody need to feel so special. Who is you that you know want to feel special? What's about you? How are you just saying earth? How are you? Hey, who no want to feel special? Yeah, man, nothing wrong with it.
Be special.
I know much, man.
Yeah, special already.
Right there, so.
All famous people want to take a picture with you now.
Right there, say it there, man. Right there, say it there, yeah.
So just sign that.
He done special already, but the man says something special
more
is
did
there
man.
for you. You
More did
understand? Yeah.
That is that.
Right, that's right there. Life for some and more life for some from what's the life. It's all gonna be right, you know? Yeah, man. It's all gonna be right, man. It's here for we and the people, them, you know? More love for the people, them. I wish the people, them, the best of life. Wish everyone could have a good sunshine day, you know? Everyone could have it just like that, like when I see it, brother. Cause you know, me find myself, you know, can spend an extra dollar, you know. And then if I lie, me I tell. You understand me? Achieving an extra dollar when I never used to achieve before.
Yeah.
Then, you know, me find things more easier with me. Yeah, man, I wish it could happen for everyone.
You see that?
From my heart.
That's why I try for help so much.
Remember, me tell you, me wish it could have happened for everyone. Cause you know, me experience the feelings is, me know what the stress you release. You understand me? Then me not think me want other people to do it too. Me need other people if can release some of them stress that them have year to year and can't left. You understand me? Remember, you know, brother, wake up this Monday morning and I know where you get the first $1,000 to pay your light bill because 7. Check that no, man. How that come on your head. Living in your home can live without the light. Okay, so check that how hard that is. Your light bill is $7,000 and I know the first one I come from. then you know think me want to see every man can live above that. And know so when light bill time come and if not maybe where my light bill money I come from.
True, man.
Cause me work that already and me have it. You understand me? Me wish every man can have it like that, brother. You must have a better life. Must have a better day. You have a better sleep. You have everything better. You see what I say, God? Because of these things stress we, you know. That these things we have to think about daily, these life, daily living. You understand me? So any day you find say you can mend your daily living in a whole heap of stress you dash right now.
True, man.
A whole heap you dash right. Some of a majority of your journey that cover.
And some
You see
people
what I
don't
say?
think about business, they think about what to eat.
What to
What they
eat.
a man in.
Alright. Remember me tell you. Cause at the end of the
See
day,
first dollar yet.
you can't even pre-bills if
No,
you
you have
think
to
about
think
what
about
you
what
going
you
to
eat
eat to
first.
keep up.
Yeah.
Yes.
To keep life. Because if you
Definitely.
don't have life, we can't pay the bill. So,
A lot
have
of we
to try
know
keep life.
uncle think about what we are going to eat.
Yeah. No.
Yes, a lot of we just a think about what we are going to eat. No, for we have to think about where we are going to eat. We are somehow we just a think about where we want to eat.
Yeah.
You understand me? Sometimes we have to think about where we are going to get something to eat. You understand me? Where we gonna get
Get it
something
from.
to eat. You understand? You
And
know how
see
bitter
first
that
way
is?
round.
Yeah, you know how bitter that is?
Bitter, man.
Very bitter. Remember me tell you,
Think
then
we been
at
through
the
that
end of the
already.
day, you're gonna have 2 or 3 more mouth where I rely upon
You.
you for something to eat.
You fuck up,
You
man.
know how stress you is,
And so you go that way now.
then you know must have it. You have to even overthink.
True, man.
You start overthink now, brother, because you think so till you can't think no more now, you know.
more.
Alright.
Fuck we ain't up in that.
Remember good no man. Yeah man.
See,
So you see, I say you have to believe in a creator. You know. If it's your will, it have to happen. Cause remember, you know, man, if you not figure your bed hungry, nah, you know.
Nah, that, man.
That nah, none at all, you know, you nah got your bed hungry, you know, kind of happen. You know, figure your bed hungry tonight, something that come for you to eat.
Man, something will come, man.
Alright. Remember me tell you. So
Oh,
if
you
you
look
not
it
fi
a
walk
come.
naked, you not go walk naked, brother. And if you not fi sleep on the tree, it will never happen. You go live on the roof like everybody else. You know what I say? You go eat and drink and sleep comfortable like everyone else. Who them fi stop if you can live that?
True, man.
Alright. Remember
See,
good.
that time when Bobo is dead, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, St. Thomas Day, you know.
Mm.
Build up on my face, I say that even dollar I can't find to pay one bus fare to come here, you know.
Alright. Believe you, man.
Down
Down
shows me
believe
not
you.
have on my foot.
Alright.
Say me go away from a funeral.
Funeral, yeah.
So when me door come,
Oh yeah, go forward. You see it?
feel
Remember
fuck
good
up in
no, man.
myself and say
Oh, yeah,
music
me.
me have to put in.
Oh yeah, me. Yeah, man. Music you have to put your stress in where your face this, so you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. A real life, man. A real talk, brother.
Never have nothing.
Yeah,
When
man.
you come. And then
Yeah,
time
man.
you
But you
get
see,
that
things
like
come to those who wait, you know.
Yeah.
So you see, at this time we have to hold out and know, say.
Better
And I
with them,
must today a fear day, you know.
No.
So no give up today. Tomorrow can be better.
Be not tell yourself that.
Yeah, man. Don't
Nah,
give up
give
today, man. And I must today a fear day. You know how much is somebody get through today?
That's true, man.
Yeah, man. Then the clock now spin, man. Yeah, man. Tomorrow can be your day, brother. Just hold on, man. Yeah, man. Just hold on, man. As me tell you now, whole heap of struggle with face, which you know a lot. Yeah. Face the struggle, them. Me never try to give up.
All we face it, man.
Yeah, man. I never try to give up, man, and tell myself, say, this I go over now, because I can't do no more. Yeah,
Never try
man.
that.
Me can't stand out, man. Yeah, man. Me can't hold out, man. Hold out. Hold out, and know, say, yeah. Yeah, hold out this for better, you know. Not for worse. Yeah, hold this for better. You see me?
True that.
And
When
I
you're steady,
say, man,
you
yeah,
have to just
man.
keep moving.
Yeah, man, just keep moving, man, and know, say,
Every
brother.
day I try to
Yeah, man, if I even your mind, you have to motivate. So
If you
you
not do
tell
that, you'll
yourself,
go
say,
crazy,
brother,
man.
this
Imagine,
struggle
man.
I face you, but me I go get over it.
Get over it, man.
Oh, you mean, man, me I get over it, man.
Now we
Get over that struggle you have faced, me, and be a winner. Yeah, man. Someday, some way, somehow. It's not for me alone, you know. It's be for a whole lot of people. It's be for the world. Brother, a struggle you face, but you have to get over it. What you got to do? Make it get over, you know. Make it get over you and see what happens.
Gone out of dirt.
Alright. You know how much are we left a ball and sad.
That's true,
How much
man.
are we left weak and the pain. Try get over it, brother. Don't make it get over you. You understand me? Yeah, man. No matter what it is, you know, try to be over it. Remember, go just try to tell yourself, say, you have to be on top of things. You know, want nothing on top of you. Oh, cause you sure you can manage it? Alright. Try to be on top of things. Yeah, every time. Yeah, man. And this way, man. And this how me look and see it. Yeah. No one be nothing on top of me, a blood clot fi come crush me out, squeeze me, kill me. No. Yeah, me little bit on light. Me can't stay on top of all anything. All top of the breeze. Yeah, man.
Has nobody to do with this.
Remember good, man. Make nothing up on top of me and see what happens.
I wouldn't take out those space.
Alright. Yeah, man. Top of things, me say, man. For real, man.